Context of the municipal council elections to 11 municipal councils, for which we had fixed up a date on 18th of October. Since the date was already fixed way back in December last year, we had proposed to the government in December 2019. You know, the election commission always prepares much in advance. The election process also takes time. Our preparation also takes time. Government also takes time to do the delimitation of wards and also for notification of reservation of vacancies. So we started long ago. Not only the state of Goa, but the whole country is hit by coronavirus, that pandemic. We were hoping that the things, if they get improved, so we will hold the elections on time. Because holding elections in time is the primary responsibility of the State Election Commission. When we reviewed the situation in the last month or so, we have seen that not only last month, but all these deputy collectors, mamlatdars, revenue officers are over busy in management of the COVID crisis on 24/7 basis. On administrative side, they are running the show. So since they are over busy, they cannot be spared for election duty, and the commission thought it would not be proper to burden them with additional responsibility. That is one important consideration. So we cannot appoint the RO and ARO. Of course, government is managing the cases. Nevertheless, in last month, 1 month, we have not seen any respite. So we thought that it is just not advisable to go ahead with the election, because democracy, we know, is for the people, by the people and of the people. So we don't want people to come to risk, and their life should not be compromised from going ahead with the election process. So we thought it prudent to postpone the fixed election by 3 months. So Election Commission today announces the postponement of general election to 11 municipal councils, which was fixed on 18th October. We postponed it by 3 months. Zilla Panchayat election, as you are already aware, only the date of poll, which was fixed on 22nd March, we could not hold the poll. So we have postponed that date also. And we have not taken any fresh call when to hold that polling, which was postponed. So it will happen in due course. We will assess the situation and come back to you.
So these are only municipal elections?
Municipal elections.
For the 3 months?
Yes.
Due to COVID, you can say, no?
Yes.